guys, welcome back. It is that time of the month. It's time for our Petit Vour Plus unboxing. I hope you guys are excited. You know the drill, unless you're new around here. So what we're going to do first is talk about last month's box, what I liked, what I didn't like, and what was mid. And my cat is going to meow at me constantly because she wants my attention. Then we're going to unbox this month's box, and we're going to see what's in it, and then we're going to talk pricing. So last month was a bit weird. I felt like a lot of the products were stuff that I wasn't going to use. So we'll start with the Belle Pierre stuff. The lip mask, I'm actually wearing it right now. It's not really a lip mask as much as just like a gloss, because it doesn't, I don't know, when I think of a lip mask, like I have a lip scrub and then I have a lip mask, which is like it's like a thicker, I don't even know what to say, almost like a balm, like a salve that I put on before bed. This was more like a gloss. I mean, I liked it though, and I did like the peach. I thought I wasn't going to like it because I'm not a big peach person. I thought it was great. We got the 100% pure eyeliner pencil. Well, first let's do the other Belle Pierre. The other Belle Pierre. The eyeshadow. So it was a little black pot of eyeshadow. It was fine. Like, it's black eyeshadow. I don't know what I was expecting. Like, it's fine. Like, I would not recommend putting it on just plain Jane. I don't know if you do use black eyeshadow at all, but it smudges easy, and it's very noticeable when it does. So I would suggest, like what I do is I put a primer on, then my eyeliner, then I put that on. So that's what I would recommend. It was fine. I didn't really notice any, I mean, you can't really mess up black eyeshadow. I guess you could. You could make it not black enough, but I didn't have that problem here. The 100% pure eyeliner pencil, it was okay. I didn't use it very much, to be honest, because it's not really my cup of tea. I don't usually use eyeliner pencils anymore. That's something I did when I was like a teenager, not now that I'm a grown adult and a mother of two. But it was fine. Better than the brown eyeliner pencil that I got from them a while back. It was not my color. The Fluency multi-stick. So it's my second time using the Fluency multi-stick. This one was like a dark brown, almost, it was like, I don't know, it looked nice. It was like a coppery dark brown kind of color. And let me tell you, coppery did not just translate into the color, because the smell and the taste, like I could taste pennies in my mouth with that on my lips. And the smell was atrocious. So I did not use it much because I could not stand it. But as far as like the look goes, it was fine. I probably wouldn't use it on my face other than my lips. Personally, that's just a personal preference. But I can't stand the taste / smell of it. So putting it on my lips also did not work for me. The Up Circle eye cream. You guys know how I feel about eye creams. It was fine. I didn't really notice anything different. I put it on at night, got in the morning, washed my face. I didn't notice anything different. I thought it was fine. And then the Momi bronzer is okay. It didn't break me out this time like the highlighter did, so that's good. But like, if I'm being perfectly honest, none of these things I would buy except for the Belle Pierre lip mask. And that's surprising because number one, I would not consider it a lip mask, and number two, I'm not a big fan of peach, but I think that one was the best product out of all of these, and I would purchase it again as long as it wasn't too expensive. I don't remember how expensive it was, but if it's under $5, I would buy it. That does it for last month's box, guys. Now let's get into the goods.
Oh, yes. Happy Mail Day. Oh my, more Up Circle, guys. They're really pushing Up Circle on me. Okay, so there's an eye roller straight out the gate. To relieve your eyes, brighter, soothed, and refreshed. Use to massage in eye cream or serum for deeper absorption. So this is just like a little rolling wand. Store it in the fridge for extra cooling effect. Okay, this is getting to the woo-woo stuff. So I've seen this kind of stuff for a while, the stuff you're supposed to keep cold. I've never done that. I don't get it. I'm going to use it though because, you know, that's the point. I got to use these. Is there like I'm sure there's not like an ingredients list here. No, because there's no actual product for me to apply to my face. So, Upcircle Peptide Serum with upcycled custard apple and blood orange. Ooh, fancy. There's the ingredients. Very cool. It sounds fancy. Custard apple and blood orange. Very cool. I'm curious to try that. Michelle Hydrate 3-in-1 Super Serum Light with hyaluronic acid, vegan squalene, SPF 30. I do like some moisturizer with some SPF. All right. Interesting. There's the ingredients. All right. Now, what else we got in here? Ooh, Belle Pierre. Hold on, let me switch my hand because it's going to drive me nuts. Gosh. Belle Pierre. Whoa. I regret this already. I regret my decision. Belle Pierre Cosmetics Liquid Eyeliner in black. So this is more of my cup of tea. I prefer a felt tip. Let me open it up and see. Oh, yeah. Look at that, guys. If you can focus on it. Don't mind my table. It's got cat hair on it. Come on. Yes. See, that's what I'm looking for. That's actually a nice looking felt tip. Okay. And this bottle is so small. There is no ingredients list on it, which I don't like. But what can you do, I suppose? Oh, goody, guys. You know how I feel about that. This is the third time I've gotten the Belle Pierre Peach Blossom Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm going to tell you, I still don't like it. I'm not going to like it this time. If I didn't like it twice, I'm not going to like it the third time. Just putting that out there.
All right, guys. We're back up top now. We're going to talk pricing, okay? So first and foremost, let's just get the elephant out of the room here. Address the elephant in the room? How do you say that? I don't know. This guy right here. I do not like this. This is the third time I've received it. I highly doubt I'm going to like it again. My daughter's going to get another eyeshadow palette, and she still hasn't gone through the other two. Or I could give this to somebody. Maybe I'll do that. I'll give it to somebody. But this is varied in price in different places. I'm going to say $19 for this. That's like in the middle of all the places I've seen it. So $19 for this palette. It looks kind of pretty, like especially the nice orangey color that's in here. I'll open it so you can see, but the nice orangey color that's inside here, or I'm not going to open it. We'll find out. There we go. Like, it looks nice, right? That looks like a nice orangey color. Oh my gosh, you can see everything in the mirror. That's pretty cool. Anyway, sorry. It's really not pigmented enough. It's a very bland orange color. Like, I have a color palette that's vegan from ColourPop that's called Orangey Glad. And it's 10,000 times more pigmented than this is. So I will not be using that. Just going to be upfront with you. I'm not going to use it. It's the same as it was. I'm not going to use it. The Michelle Super Serum, which looks like a tinted moisturizer, that is $28. The Belle Pierre Liquid Eyeliner, $15. Hey guys, I just realized as I'm editing this, I'm missing a chunk of footage from when I was talking pricing. So the Upcircle Eye Roller was $10 and the peptide serum was $30, which makes the grand total for this box $102. Just putting that in there. I've got my suspicions about this box, about what I'm going to like and what I'm not going to like. Obviously, I'm not going to like the peach palette. I'm sorry, Belle Pierre, but like, work on your pigmentation. I'm anxious about this because liquid eyeliner, it's a hit or miss. And I've found some really good liquid eyeliners in my time, and I've not switched from them because every time I get a new one and I try it out, it's too smudgy and smeary, and I don't care for it. I'm curious about this one. I'm excited to try that. I'm apprehensive about this. I do not see the point in the rollers, but I will give it a try anyway. And then another Upcircle thing. I mean, might as well. I'm going to have the whole set by the end of this. But yeah, that does it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this March Petit Vour Plus unboxing. And I will see you next month and let you know what I thought about these products and unbox the next box. Bye!